Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable app icon badges for Spaces notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an important Spaces alert because it didn't show up on your home screen, turning on app icon badges can make a big difference. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through step by step. First, grab your phone and head into the Settings menu. This is where all the controls for your apps and notifications are located. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps, and give it a tap. Next, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll until you find the X app and open it. This will bring you into the app-specific settings where we can make the changes we need. From here, select Notifications. This section controls how and when the X app is allowed to notify you, whether through sounds, banners, or badges. Inside, look for an option called Notification Categories. Tap on that to explore the different types of notifications the X app sends out. Among the categories, you'll find one labeled Spaces. This is the specific area we need to adjust. Go ahead and tap on Spaces to open up its individual notification settings. Now look for the toggle labeled App Icon Badges. If it's currently off, go ahead and switch it on. With this enabled, whenever there's a new Spaces notification, a small badge will appear over the X app's icon on your home screen. That way, you'll always know when there's something new waiting for you without even having to open the app. And that's it. You've successfully turned on app icon badges for Spaces notifications in the X app. It's a quick adjustment, but it ensures that you never miss out on important conversations or live audio events happening inside Spaces. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out other settings on your phone that can make your notifications work even better for you. Customizing these options can go a long way in making sure your experience with the X app is smoother and more convenient. Now you can stay updated at a glance right from your home screen.